What's up everyone, my name is Jeff Saliba and today in this video I'll be showing you guys what's in my camera bag. Now I've seen a lot of people make these videos and I love seeing what other people shoot with, so I decided to make one myself. So let's get to it. First off are my two camera bags. This first one is my Eve case camera bag. It has a lot of extra pockets which I can store a bunch of little things. Right here is my main pouch where I keep all my cameras and lenses. And down here is another pouch. I'll use this space to store my drone. Now this second backpack is my North Face Stormbreaker 35 backpack. It's a little bit smaller than my other backpack, but I'll use this if I don't have a lot of gear to carry around. Now moving on to the accessories. Got my lens pen and my microfiber cloth, which I'll use to clean my lenses. Got my portable charger here to charge my batteries and my phone if I need to. Have an intervalometer for whenever I want to do time lapses. Have this macro extension tube for when I want to take those macro shots. Have my filter pouch here, which holds all my filters. And in here is where I keep my neutral density filters. I'll use these when it's a bright and sunny day, or I'll even use them whenever I want to get those silky smooth waterfall shots. Now here is my Adobe GorillaPod, which I'll mainly use as a selfie stick for whenever I want to talk to the camera. And right here is my newer tripod, which also turns into a monopod. And right there, it's super convenient. Now this is my gimbal, which is the Zhiyun Crane. I'll use it from time to time whenever I want that smooth, stabilized footage. Now moving on to the cameras, with my first one being the Sony a6300, which right now is being used to film this. I bought it back in early 2017, used it all last year. It's great, it shoots 4K. It's small, portable. However, I did upgrade to my next camera, so now my wife is the one that uses it to make her own videos. Now this is the Sony a7S II, which is my main beast. It's my first full frame camera, which I use for everything. It has amazing low light, and it also has in-body stabilization, which is great because I tend to have shaky hands. Now moving on to my lenses, this is the Sony Zeiss 16 to 35mm f4. I bought this lens along with my Sony a7S II. It's always in my bag. It does great for whenever you want to get those wide angle landscape shots. The second lens is my Sony Zeiss 55mm f1.8. It's crazy sharp and has super fast autofocus. That's great for portraits, and it's also great for whenever I want to get those close-up B-roll shots. Next up we have my Sony 70 to 200mm f4. This is my telephoto lens. It's great for whenever I want to shoot things from a distance. It's a little big and bulky, so I don't carry it with me unless I know I'm going to use it. Now this is my GoPro Hero 5. Now years ago I used to shoot everything on GoPro, but now it's actually my least used camera. I only use it if I'm going in the water, if I need to put it on a helmet. It's still a great camera to have because it can fit into those little spaces that other cameras can't. Now for my drone, I went with the DJI Mavic Pro. I bought this camera back in around early 2017 and I still use it to this day. It's been through a lot. I've crashed it into a tree. I've flown it far enough to where it actually lost signal and I thought I lost it forever, but it's still holding up. So I think I've covered pretty much every piece of gear that I use. If you guys are interested, I'll put a list of all this stuff down in the description box below. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you guys haven't already. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Again, my name is Jeff Saliba and I'll catch you guys later.